Welcome back to our channel, where we empower you to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Today, we're going to explore simple ways to budget and save money because financial success starts with smart money management. Budgeting is the foundation of financial stability. It helps you track your income, expenses, and savings. Let's start by creating a budget that works for you. First, track your expenses. Write down everything you spend money on, from big purchases to daily coffee runs. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and help you identify areas where you can cut back. Next, set financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve, whether it's saving for a down payment, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Having clear goals will motivate you to stick to your budget. Now let's talk about the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income for essentials like housing, utilities, and groceries. Use 30% for discretionary spending, such as dining out or entertainment, and save 20% for your financial goals. Cutting expenses doesn't mean sacrificing your happiness. Look for ways to save on everyday expenses, such as meal planning, using coupons, or shopping during sales. Small changes can add up to significant savings. An emergency fund is crucial for unexpected expenses or financial setbacks. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start by setting aside a small amount each month and gradually increase your savings over time. Automate your savings to make it easier. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account. This way, you'll save consistently without even thinking about it. Regularly track your progress to stay motivated. Celebrate milestones along the way and use visual aids like a savings jar or a chart to visualize your progress. Seeing your savings grow will inspire you to keep going. Finally, practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals. Delaying gratification and making conscious spending choices will help you stay on track. Congratulations! You now have the tools to budget and save money effectively. Remember, it's all about taking small steps and being consistent. Start implementing these simple strategies today and watch your financial situation transform. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks.